Next is political feature, political or we can say administrative feature. How was the political system or administration at that time? Because this is very important. If you have any uh, definite political system which can patronize the traded commerce and law and order, then you became a town or empire or any bigger state. So first, how was the kingship? Obviously autocratic, or we can say monarch. Role of king increased as well as revenue of state also increased. Role of king increased. Why? People are visited to the king for various problems. King promised them to solve their problems. Just king what want? The tribute or the taxes. Sorry. So what is the result of this? Resulting king and administration became more powerful. Establishment of bigger states. The result of these two factors, bigger states known as Janapad and Mahajanapad. Janapad and Mahajanapad. So in the 6th century, we see there are 16 major states, or we can say likewise empire. They are known as 16 Mahajanpadas, and there are some republic states also. They are known as Ganatantra or republic states. there are 16 Mahajanpadas and 10 republic states in 6th century BC. 16 Mahajanpadas and 10 republic states. Is all clear? So now, after the development of 16 Mahajanpadas, our period is changed. Next topic should be 16 Mahajanpadas. Okay. Before that, we have to read why the new religious sect was developed at the same time of महाजनपदाज है ना. So next, religious economic good. So development of new religious beliefs or sect. I already told you the reason, the casteism, the untouchability, the discrimination, the expensiveness of rituals, orthodox society. These all things commonly developed some tensions, and people thinking about the new religions. New religions means which will easily connect them, which will easily connect them with the God. And that's why they are searching for the new ideologies, they are searching for the new beliefs. And at that same time, there are 60 plus more new sects were emerged. 60 plus more, yes, not only one or two or three. उसमें लिख लीजिए emergence of 62 new sects. Later two became more famous from these 62, that will known as Jainism and Buddhism. More famous, one is Jainism, second is Buddhism. Okay, is it clear? Good. So now the 6th century BC historical period was divided the history of India, or this phase is a watershed moment of India for Indian history. Before the 6th century BC, there was just only a single religion named Vedic period or Vedic religion. And after this, there are development of many new sects. Some of became them popular and two became more popular, named as Jainism and Buddhism. Now we uh, are going to jump our new topic, that is 16 Mahajanpadas. And after 16 Mahajanpadas, we will read the Jainism and Buddhism. Both are contemporary. One is a political development. 16 Mahajanpadas is a political development, while Jainism and Buddhism is a social and religious development. So both are contemporary. Uh, it never means that one is after another. Okay. So next class we will start with the 16 Mahajanpadas, and then Buddhism and Jainism. Okay. Wish you all a very happy Dashera and Vijayadashmi, and have a good day. Make proper revisions. And revision is very important to retain the topic again and again. And we will also provide the handouts for these topics. One is for the prehistoric period. I'm just going with the comments. है ना? One is for the prehistoric period or Stone Age and Chalcolithic Age. Second is for the Indus Valley civilization. Third is for the Vedic era or Vedic period. Then fourth is about 16 Mahajanpadas. Fifth one is about Buddhism and Jainism. During this 16 Mahajanpadas, Magad became the more prominent state. Yes, Magad became the more. There are 16 Mahajanpadas. One is among them is Magad, and later Magad emerged as a bigger or more powerful state. So, what was the factor to emergence of Magad? We will discuss about that. And then there are three earlier dynasties ruled in the Magad, named as Shishunaga, Haryak dynasty, and Nanda dynasty. At the last phase of Nanda dynasty, there was first foreign invasion made in India by Alexander, known as the Greek invasion. So in the next class, we will read all these things: the Mahajanpadas, the Buddhism, Jainism, and the invasion of Alexander. And from that, after Alexander, the first biggest empire of India was established, named the Maurya Empire, which was developed or founded by the Chandragupta Maurya with the help of great diplomat Kautilya or Chanakya. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.